Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best keyboard cleaner kit that's a total game changer for your desk setup. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Peter Keyboard Cleaner Kit. Let's get started. Product feature. This comprehensive all-in-one kit is designed for deep cleaning keyboards, laptops, smartphones, and even car interiors, ensuring your favorite gadgets stay in top-notch condition. The professional retractable brush features both soft and firm bristles to sweep away dust, while a high-density mini brush reaches between flat keys for precision cleaning. An integrated metal pin tip helps you safely dislodge stubborn, trapped dirt and grime from the tightest spaces, ensuring every corner of your device is spotless. The kit includes a 2 mm thick polishing cloth with a smart right-angle design, perfectly fitting into screen corners to absorb residue without leaving streaks or messy fibers. High-quality microfiber cloths provide a gentle but durable touch, protecting your delicate screens from scratches while maintaining a pristine, crystal-clear appearance. It features a soft mini brush and lens cleaning pen for DSLR cameras, plus a specialized flocking sponge dedicated to cleaning headphones and charging cases. To keep your maintenance routine effective over time, the kit comes with 5 replacement cleaning cloths, making it a long-lasting companion for all your electronics. Pros. You will love how this kit feels like a professional spa treatment for your tech. It is incredibly portable, fitting right in your bag or car for quick touch-ups. The specialized tools for earbuds and cameras mean you are caring for your entire digital life with tools that are gentle, effective, and specifically designed to handle delicate components without damage. Cons. While the metal pin tip is fantastic for detail work, you will want to use a very light touch to avoid any surface scratches. Also, because the tools are so compact and precise, they require a bit of patience and steady hands to get the best results in tiny areas like earbud sound outlets. Final thoughts. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with a workspace that truly sparkles. Using this kit is about showing respect for the tools that help you work and play every day. It is so satisfying to see your screens clear and your keys dust-free. Investing in this level of care helps your devices last longer and keeps your daily environment feeling fresh, healthy, and inviting. Give your gadgets the love they deserve today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Cool Product and like this video for more helpful tips. See you soon!